Vasan sir, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Very good afternoon to all. S- Sunil sir, very heartily welcome to you. So this is the fourth day of the recent advances in agricultural technology for sustainable development of agriculture, veterinary, fisheries and allied sectors. So in the afternoon session, we have Dr. Sunil Kumar Goel, who is going to deliver his talk on use of AI and IoT, that is artificial intelligence and Internet of Things in agriculture for sustainable development. I will be reciting his brief biodata. His Dr. Sunil Kumar Goel, currently working as associate professor in Department of Farm Engineering, Institute of Agricultural Sciences, from prestigious Institute of Agricultural Sciences at BHU Varanasi since 2010. He has done his graduation from Chandrasekhar Azad Agriculture University and Technology at Kanpur, Masters in Agricultural Processing and Food Engineering from Indira Gandhi Agriculture Universities, Raipur. Then his doctoral studies from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut. And during his PhD program, he has been a recipient of UGC National Fellowship. And also he has been awarded postdoc fellowship by UGC for conducting research on various qualities of basmati and non-basmati rice. It is fortunate that we have Dr. Sunil Kumar Goel with us. He is a recipient of 2 national awards conferred by Department of Official Languages, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi, for authoring 2 books. And he has received this award from the Honorable President of India, late Sri Pranav Mukherjee, and current President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind. So he has been recipient of Rajiv Gandhi National Award 2013 and also recipient of Raj Bhasha Gaurav National Award in 2015. So unlike this, he has been confirmed with 16 more awards like Young Fellow Award, Best Extension Scientist Award, Innovative Scientist Award, Award for Excellence for Energy Awareness in Agriculture, Best Editor Award, Young Scientist Award for Outstanding Contribution in the Field of Agriculture, Engineering and Allied Sectors, Global Outreach Award, Most Innovative Faculty of the Year 2020 Award. He has received twice Best Oral Presentation Award and Best Poster Presentation Awards. He has organized many international and national seminars, conference, workshop, and other scientific events at BHU. And also he has been called as a resource person for more than 50 invited talks as a guest lecturer and subject expert. And he has published 23 books in Hindi and English, 19 book chapters, 61 research papers, review papers, and more than 200 popular articles to his credit in various journals of national and international repute. Uh, Being an academician, he is guiding 8 PhD and 10 MSc students under food science and technology. And also he has handled various research projects, particularly sponsored from different agencies, that DST, ICR, UGC, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation through the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, IOE, Banaras, BHU. He is also engaged in research work. And also, apart from research, he is engaged in teaching and extension also. Also, he is a certified a drone pilot from the Directorate of the Civil Aviation. We are very fortunate to have you. Once again, I welcome you, sir. And the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Dr. Basant, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for very nicely introducing me to the galaxy of the scientists, researchers, professors, and research scholars. Once again, thank you. I am thankful course coordinator of this course, Dr. Sakir Ali Chayam Ali Sahab, who is Principal Scientist, Agriculture Extension, ICAR, Atari, Zone 8, Pune. Also, I would like to also pay my gratitude to Dr. R.A. Saha Sahab from NADCL, Jammu and Kashmir. And without paying my thanks to Miss Hamida Khanam ma'am, my this talk will not be complete, because she is the only lady who is connecting, including me, to with all of you. So with these words, I will start my today's topic. What the topic was given to me for today's talk: use of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things in agriculture for sustainable development. So I have chosen this topic because this 21 days faculty development program entitled Recent Advances in Agricultural Technology for Sustainable Development of Agricultural, Veterinary, Fisheries, and Allied Sectors. And as you know, this event is jointly organized by NADCL, Baramulla, Jammu and Kashmir, and ICAR, Atari, Pune. Friends, this FDP, Faculty Development Program 24, has decided for this particular topic because present time we are talking about regarding the betterment and development of agriculture and allied sectors. I remember those days when I was in my PhD period, everyone was talking about sustainable development. But at present, what I feel, that sustainable development, what the at that time people were talking, but the actual sustainable development programs and other scheme governed or driven by the government, these are especially these are related to sustainable development. So I chosen this topic: how this AI and IoT may be beneficial or helpful to the development of agriculture. You can say the whole agriculture, or the allied sectors of agriculture like veterinary, fisheries, and other things. So let's go. These are the outlines of my talk. I will be covering about what is AI and what is IoT, then what scope of using this AI and IoT in agriculture, especially in food production system, then application of AI and IoT in agriculture and allied sector, then everyone having some limitations. So no doubt this AI and IoT is also having few limitations. I will be covering those limitations also. And at the last of my talk, there is a take-home message, means conclusion of my talk. So these are the outlines of my talk. So friends, at present time, but I feel everyone, every pupil, every student, every teacher, every researcher, every policy maker, even every stakeholders, they all are talking about AI and IoT. When AI introduced into our country, many people are we are saying that we can our population may be jobless, our teachers may be jobless, because if AI will exist, will enter in our existing system, then there may be some problems. But I don't think like that, because after my talk, I hope your mindset may be some differ from these things, that AI may be harmful to our community or our agriculture or our this planet. So, what is AI? Artificial intelligence is the intelligence exhibited by machines rather than human or animal. Okay, so the intelligent agents which perceives its environment and take actions to maximize the success. So this you can say these words were coined by Russell et al. During 2003, means near about 21 years back. Uh, okay, and then Herbert Simon during 1965 invented this AI, and this AI word was coined by John McCarthy. You can imagine during 1965, the AI people were think about and they were doing something regarding this AI. But at present time, we are or we our new generation are afraid from this AI. So there is no need to afraid this AI. Okay, so there are other things about AI. AI not man versus machine. Okay, artificial intelligence is not man versus machine. It is a man and machine synergy. So when man and machine will work together with a synergy, good synergy, then we can do something better. Not good, we can do something better. Okay, so AI is benefiting to all sectors. I'm not talking about only agriculture and allied sector. AI is benefiting to all sectors like education, medical, media, industry. Everywhere AI is performing well. So these are few, you can say, facts about AI. AI is dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. Definitely, when without computer, AI cannot do nothing, because in everywhere, if you are having your smartphone, there are some options. If you are typing a message on WhatsApp, then there is a AI, you can say, supporter is there who can suggest you the different things, like if you are writing hi to everyone, then there are number types of hi is there, so you can pick and choose and you can send that. So means AI is related to computer, and without computer AI is nothing, as per my knowledge. Then capability of a machine to imitate intelligent like human behavior, so AI can that. Then AI perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation behavior language. So these are few, you can say, quality or character of the AI that can, with the help of a computer like human mind. Okay, so here by this slide you can easily understand what is artificial about intelligence in AI. This is interesting slide for you. What is artificial about intelligence in AI? Okay, so with these words, or you can say these are the, this is the definition. AI is the analytical process one can associate with human thinking, like speech recognition, as I told earlier, natural language understanding and translation, knowledge management, image analysis, decision making, learning, etc., which will make system powerful and useful. Means what a human mind can think and do, including all these things, AI can do many other things in a better way, in a very better way. And you can say that those all work can be done by in very efficient manner. So that's why we can say that intelligence, that is the intelligence in artificial intelligence. Okay, our human mind can do some certain things, but with the help of AI, a human mind can do many things uh, with better efficiency. Okay, so AI is a smart monitor system to find solutions quickly. You can say all these things in simple these lines. Okay. Now, why I am discussing these AI and IoT for this talk? Because I hope you might aware about these four, you can say, these four era, you can say. Like the first one is 70s, means during 18th century, there are a era that is known as Industry 1.0. Then next in 19th century, that is 1890s, that era was mass production and IT accommodation, automation. And during 20th century, there are cyber physical system used. So this is known as Industry 4. By this figure, this slide, you can easily understand there are different types of age or era passed in our life. First one is Industry 1.0, second one is Industry 2.0, third one is Industry 3.0, and present means today Industry 4.0. Okay, so what happens in Industry 1.0? At that time, mechanical manufacturing had started with the help of steam powered machines replaced human labor. Okay, and during this Industry 2 means 19th century, during 80s, at that time the mass production, you can say huge mass production, was done with the help of electric powered machines, aided the production of goods in massive quantity. Okay, so that happens in Industry 2.0. And during Industry 3.0 means that age was IT automation, information technology and automation. So with the help of IT and automation, IT enabled the use of geographically disparate system and reducing production cost. Means each industry is, there are something happening with the help of machine. Excuse me. हाँ अवधेश जी नमस्ते। अभी है तो एक ऑनलाइन लेक्चर चल रहा है, बताइए। ठीक है, तो मैं कितना 4 बजे के आसपास आ जाऊं? ठीक है, थैंक यू। Sorry for the interruption. Actually, there is a call, urgent call from my central office. Okay, so what I'm saying, in each industry era, there are something happen and something happen for the mass production with the help of mechanical manufacturing for the mass production and with the help of information technology and automation. Okay, so at present time, this is Industry 4.0. This age is known as cyber physical system use. What we are using in this era, like technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, enabled automated information sharing, and even decision making. So that's why I am discussing this Industry 4.0. And what Industry 4.0 meaning? With the help of AI and IoT, with the help of machine learning, with the help of deep learning, we can do better in the field of agriculture and allied sector. I will be discussing in my coming slides. There are number of technologies available for the better production in agriculture, for better food product processing sector, for animal sector, for fisheries sector, for dairy sector, for poultry sector. For each sector, we have applications with the help of, those are working with the help of AI and IoT. Okay. Now, I have already discussed what is the agriculture and Industry 4. Okay. Now, how AI may be helpful or used in agriculture industry, like automated farming activities. I will be, if time permit, I will be covering each and everything with detail. I am just naming here. Second one is identification of pest and disease outbreak before occurrence. If AI, AI can do only that can predict the coming disease and you can say calamity, natural calamities with the help of AI for this agriculture and other agriculture-based industries. Next, maybe managing crop quality. AI can do the AI can manage the crop quality and yield, because with the help of AI and IoT, there is a system generated softwares, and farmers or owner can use those software with the help of their smartphone, with the help of tab, with the help of computers, and they can simply monitor their crop for better production, like timely irrigation. They can provide timely fertigation. They can apply their agrochemicals when and where only needed. So that's why a farmer or owner can manage their crop quality with the help of AI. Then monitoring biotic, abiotic factors and stresses, then machine vision system and phenotypic lead to adjustment. So these are few points. There are recent advances, or you can say recent development in India related to AI. Here, a few examples, like Karnataka government signed a MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with Microsoft India, and they developed multivariant agriculture commodity price forecasting model. In Karnataka and other South Indian states, they are using this price forecasting model. How they are using? First, they are selecting the farmers, and they collect the data, how much land you are having, and which crop you are going to cultivate in your land, and there is a estimate, or you can say predictive this yield or production, and on the basis of that predictive yield or the production of particular crop, the market share can develop, and they can forecast the particular price of particular crop. That may be paddy, that may be other things. Okay. The other example is Microsoft with ICRISAT deployed a sowing advisory service in Kharif season under Bhu Chetna project. Okay. So ICRISAT has also doing these things, sowing advisory services to the Kharif crop. There is a detailed model I am having with my in my this PPT. I can explain if time permit. Okay. Then Microsoft developed price forecasting model in Karnataka. As I told you, this Karnataka government, first they are using these price forecasting model for the paddy only, and after that they are try to use for other crop, and successfully they are using this forecasting model. Then IBM is a brand name in IT sector, and they providing tools to entrepreneurs and startup to develop solutions. Okay, IBM, you can you are I heard this IBM. These are the name of this is the name of company that is providing the computers and IT solutions for the other thing. Then another example is AI powered data driven supply chain, that is optimization, that is used for optimization, and it is a like optimization platform by Matrix partners in India and New Delhi. Okay. Then Peat Earth Food and Bee Drone Agro use AI to assess soil condition over the cloud. Okay. Then State Sure in India, Monsanto, Syngenta. So there are a number of examples, though those are using the AI and IoT since you can say 10-year backs in our Indian situation. Okay. So there are few applications of AI in agriculture for sustainable development. Here you can say, if farmers are using in our Indian situation this AI and IoT, then we can say now agriculture can develop with sustainability. Okay. So first one is automated irrigation system. This is a simple picture. I am just trying to explain how this automated irrigation system is working. In the field, there are sensors inserted in the land, you can say soil, and that moisture sensor connected to the receiver, you can say EIT system, and you have a software on your monitor or on your tab or on your mobile phone, and when the moisture level is reduced, then that moisture sensor are giving the you can say signals to the uh, your computer or tablet or mobile through signals. Then you simply can operate that irrigation system for the irrigation purpose. And if you are using that automated irrigation system, it means you are applying the irrigation water to the desired plant only with the desired quantity. And you can also apply the agrochemicals, means nutrients and other thing, with the help of this irrigation water, that is known as ferti irrigation. Okay. So what I am discussing about all these things is a part of precision agriculture. Okay. So what is the meaning of precision agriculture? Precision agriculture means one should apply the things with the right manner, at right place, with the right quantity, with the right way. Means each and everything will be in a right manner, then only you can say you are using this precision system for precision agriculture. Okay. So other example is driverless tractor. In not in India, in other countries like SIH and New Holland, both introduced their new automated tractor in 2016 Farm Progress. So means in a farmers fair, you can say a tech fair, this New Holland has introduced, and Case IH both are introducing this driverless tractor. Okay. I think you have must heard about driverless car and other thing. So definitely this driverless tractor, if permit, our government permit, in our Indian system, we can also use this driverless tractor, and these are based on AI system. Okay. Then nothing. Next is Gulf intelligent greenhouse automation system. Uh, when we are talking about protected cultivation, then one should use an automated system for the whole management of that greenhouse. Then if you are using this gigas, then it will be helpful to manage that whole protected cultivation system, means greenhouse. Okay. Then drones for spraying, I am also using this drone for spraying purposes. So it is a part of precision agriculture, as I was discussing. Then these drones can also for use for mapping, surveying, crop dusting, and I am using this drone for agro spraying purpose. And just I am using this nano IFCO fertilizers like nano urea, nano DAP, Sagarika, NPK, and other things, other nutrients in our farmers field, just for demo purposes. Okay. Then other example of this AI is remote sensing based on based on crop health monitoring. Okay. How this crop health monitor is monitored? Because the drone are having hyperspectral imaging and 3D laser scanning system, means as a payload that drones those are using for this mapping and surveying purposes, they are having this hyperspectral camera, or you can say scanner, that is known as a payload. So with the help of that camera, we can simply monitor our crop. Then the Pro Information Center for dairy cattle. If a farmer or owner have a huge dairy, means there are more than 100 or 50 animals, then there are situation to handle the difficult situation to handle the animals or cattle. So for that purpose, this B-Pro the system that can easily manage your dairy. Then next is face recognition system for domestic cattle. Same for the dairy purpose. If you having 2,000 cows in your dairy, cow or cattle or buffalo or any animal, for your cattle dairy purpose, then there is difficult to count each and every cow. So if you are using this face recognition system for domestic cattle, then easily you can count, you can manage the things, man, which animal is sick, which is healthy, which is pregnant, which is milking, which is dry. So you can easily manage your dairy farm with the help of face recognition system. Then next one is Blue River technology. This is a weeding and thinning machine. In our country, what we are doing, in our field, we are generally doing this intercultural operation on weeding or thinning with the help of manual labor. But at present, we are facing a huge scarcity of manual labor. So that's why we are using advanced machines. Okay, so present time we are just using the mechanized machines. Those are introduced in our country during the era of mechanization. But at present time, that is not also sufficient. So for advanced purpose, we can use this Blue River technology. Means this is a name of technology. Means machine like driverless tractor and this thinning machine and smart harvester like this robot harvester. We should use the new advanced technology. Then we have to use this AI and IoT. Okay. The other example is decision support system for greenhouse tomato production. 1 minute. Decision support system for greenhouse tomato. Okay, so for this greenhouse tomato, we have to use this decision support system. Means when I have to harvest my crop, how I should do. 1 minute. When I have to harvest the right crop, means right tomato. So for that decision support system, we have to use this tomato production in our greenhouse. Okay, then greenhouse climate control with AI based techniques, as I told in my earlier slides. For greenhouse, means protected cultivation system, this AI and IoT system is very useful because all these systems are sensor based, and when we are using these sensors for different purposes, we have number of sensors. We have sensor for temperature, we have sensor for humidity, we have sensor for moisture content, we have sensor for sunlight, um, what quantity, what amount of sunlight is coming inside the greenhouse. So we have different type of sensors. If we wish to do better production from our greenhouse, then we should use this greenhouse climate control with AI based techniques. Okay, then gas fermentation system for bovine. Generally, there are different types of diseases, and when cattle has ate something poisonous or some unwanted food, then there are chances to uh, create the gas with the help of this gas fermentation. So we can do that experiment outside from the bovine, this fermentation system. So we should use this gas fermentation system outside the stomach. Okay. Then this is other Florida-based farmers announced that this is the harvest crew robotics. So in our agriculture system, we have different types of robotic system. So we should use these robotic system if we are thinking about sustainable development of our agriculture with the help of AI and IoT. Okay, so this is agricultural robots. These are smart sprayers. What is a smart sprayer? What did this do? Actually, there are some hyperspectral cameras. Those are installed at the beneath the you can say nozzle here in this sprayer. Is the name of this sprayer see and spray. So what this smart sprayers is doing, first the camera is seeing the picture of plant. if that plant is crop, then their nozzles will not going to spray any type of chemical, because there are pictures collected in the database of this sprayer. That pictures are known as signature. Okay, so different types of unwanted plants, that may be weeds, then may be unwanted plant, that may be other variety of particular other plant of other variety of particular that crop. So if the unwanted plants are there, then only the chemical will spray, otherwise that sprayer cannot spray the agrochemical on that particular plant, because that is not weed. So that's why this is known as smart sprayer. Then next is smart weed killing. At simple, as I told you, this is Blue River technology, means thinning and weeding machine. So same is here, smart weeding and killing machine. The camera are also installed with the help of this AI, and the pictures of unwanted plants and weeds are installed in that particular machine, and all those pictures are known as signatures. Okay, so if the plant is tally with that database, means this is not a weed, then this is not going to kill them. If the picture is not matched, means this plant is a weed or other wanted plant, then this machine will kill the, or you can say this robot use that weed, killing to that particular weed. Okay, then AI in agriculture, as I am discussing earlier, if AI is involved in our agriculture, then definitely we can improve our efficiency in every mean. We can improve our production efficiency, we can improve our harvesting efficiency, we can improve our cultivation efficiency. Whatever we are doing in our agriculture, we can definitely improve our efficiency if we are using trying to use this agriculture AI in agriculture. Okay, then second one is reduce hostile environmental impacts, because there are number of sensors are available, there are number of softwares are available. Those are based on AI and IoT, and so we can predict the future, and we can forecast regarding our weather. We can forecast regarding our disease and pest control. So definitely it will be better for our agriculture. Okay. So there are machine learning, computer vision, and predictive analysis. Those are very helpful to our agriculture with the help of this AI. So I am not going to discuss each and everything, because half an hour has already passed. I'm just giving the glimpse to you. The categories of AI in agriculture, like agricultural robotics. Okay, this is the example of Blue River technology and see and spray type robot. Second is crop on soil monitoring. With the help of high spectral camera, we can use the drones and other machines and remote sensing or hyperspectral imaging and 3D laser scanning system for this crop on soil monitoring. Okay. Next is predictive analysis. I was discussing about this ICRISAT data. No, sorry, this is predictive analysis. For predictive analysis, there are also a number of softwares are available. Those are using with this AI for predictive analysis. Means one can predict the forecast, one can predict the weather condition, one can predict the forecast of production of particular crop, one can forecast the price based on this production of particular crop. So this is the predictive analysis. What is precision farming? Actually, when we are talking about sustainable agriculture, it means we have to do something like this. We can grow something, we can produce something without giving any harmful effect to our planet or environment. So then we can say we are doing something sustainable for the agriculture. Okay, so precision farming is a better way. We can say we are doing something for in a sustainable way for this agriculture. So what is precision farming? It means the application of any agri input at the right place, the right amount, and the right time and right place. If we are doing all the things in right, then we can say we are doing the precision agriculture. Okay. Then why AI should be used, as I am discussing in my earlier slides, I am not doing many other things. Then status of AI in Indian agriculture. Then more than 500 plus agri-tech startups in India has grown up during last uh, our since 2019. Okay, means almost 5 years back. And according to the report by Henrich Foundation, benefits of Indian economy for digital trade has a potential to grow to over more than 500 billion by 2030 from present 35 billion dollar. And agriculture is one of the third sector that will drive with growth during 19. These data are from 5 years back. Okay. Yeah, this is a model what I was talking about. ICRISAT here developed a model for kharif crop. What they did, they developed a AI based model for kharif sowing. Okay, so what they did, they collect the data. What is this? They collect the data from the farmers, and after that they tally that data from ICRISAT, and from this the help of Microsoft, they develop a sowing app. Means number of how much farmers are going to use this software, what size of land they are having, and which type of crop they are going to sowing or cultivate in their lands. So with the help of this application, generally 30%, the 30% farmers are benefited with the better yield when they are using this application developed by the Microsoft and ICRISAT. So this is a helpful software. This is based on machine learning and Power BI system. Okay. As I am discussing that IBM has developed a price forecasting system in Karnataka, as I am telling you, that crop production environment through AI in a protected cultivation, or you can say in a greenhouse system. As I was discussing that the whole system is based on sensor, and there are number of sensors. Means they are using sensors for temperature, for humid sensor. They are having sensor for wind. They are having sensor for rain. They are having sensor for radiation. Okay, and they are having sensor for carbon dioxide, soil temperature, soil humidity, soil electrical conductivity. So for each and every factor, there are a particular sensor. If one is using this automated system, means AI based system, then one can do or perform, they can get better production with the help of input of minimum agri input. Okay, so that's why I am written here crop production environment through AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Means when we are using something with our intelligence, then we can do good. If we are using this AI, then we can perform better. There are also AI is having some disadvantage, like as I was discussing in my first and second slide, that people were scared that if AI has entered in our existing system, then there may be unemployment, huge unemployment in our country. But there is nothing like that. Even the system, or you can say the picture, the situation is reverse. When the AI is came to our existing system, then I think the chances of employment or employability has increased. with the when the this AI has entered to our existing system. One thing is, I am agree with this, high cost of technology such as drones, because if we are doing these drones, it means we have to invest near about 8 to 10 lakhs for to purchasing for agri drones for spraying purpose, and this is a huge amount, and every farmers cannot purchase the things. Okay, then other things is can cost a lot of money and time to build, rebuild, and repair. If we are using this greenhouse or automated greenhouse, so it means you have to invest a huge amount. And definitely when you are using these machines or sensors, you are liable to do this repair and rebuild of particular that system. Okay, then next one, doesn't improve with experience. Yeah, when machines are working with the help of AI, so there are nothing to do with your experience, because all the system or the environment will be operated with the help of only machines. Then lack of creativity. I am also agreeing with this disadvantage, because when everything will be done by the machines, there is no chance to do something creative, because all are based on the machines and everything will be done by the machines. So there is no chance to uh, creativity to do something creative. Then large amount of data is needed to train AI, and hackers can exploit AI solutions to collect private and sensitive data. I also agreed with this disadvantage, because at present time everyone aware about cyber crime. You can read a number of news regarding this cyber crimes, how much such and such amount has withdrawn with the use of OTP and other things, and the people are doing cannot do nothing, because the hackers are more clever than our mind. Okay, then cost of fuel to run technology like automatic robots are etc. So these are few disadvantages of this AI. Then prospects, there are number of prospects like supply chain management, combat global warming with expanded regulations of its development, and comprehensive automated solutions. So here the things are many, but I am not going to discuss each and everything, because I am just covering the AI till this slide. So I am leaving the things, and I am just IoT. So there are challenges to AI in agriculture. I am not going to discuss, because I can, if I cover each and everything, then something can left. So I don't want to do this. So now next, friends, I just have covered AI. What is AI? How AI is helpful in our agriculture and allied sector, and what is the advantages, what disadvantages, what prospects, and what is the challenges. So now we entered in our second part, IoT. IoT means Internet of Things, is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and networks connectivity. So the whole thing is known as IoT. Okay, means the things embedded or connected with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity. So the whole things are known as Internet of Things. Okay. In other words, network or device that gather data and convey it via internet, that is known as IoT. Okay. So friends, on 9th April was selected, since that this is the day that British technology pioneer Calvin Edison was born, because the term, or you can say word, Internet of Things has coined by Calvin Edison, who was born on 9th April. That's why Bird IoT Day is celebrating on 9th April each year. So that is known as IoT Day. Okay. Who was this Calvin Edison? Calvin Edison was a can say researcher who was doing new things in his lab, and then he create or find this IoT. Okay, during 1990s. What component of IoT is having? As I told you, sensors, pupil and process, connectivity. Means sensor, connectivity, and pupil and process. The three major things can create this IoT. Okay? Means a smart system and internet of things are driven by these deadly combination. Okay? So what is the scope of IoT? As AI is very important for doing work smartly with the help of different machines. Equally, IoT can connect devices embedded in various systems to the internet. When devices objects can represent themselves digitally, they can be controlled from anywhere. Okay. The connectivity then helps us capture more data from more places, ensuring more ways of increasing efficiency. Means one can do some operations from sitting thousand of kilometer distance far away from one place to another place. One can do operations with the help of IoT only. Okay. Then IoT can explain in other ways, like IoT means everything connected in large distributed network. Okay. Then IoT fits in a context of uh, ubiquitous decentralization. Okay. Then Internet of Everything. This is also known as Internet of Everything. How IoT works, as I uh, told you with the help of this last slide, this is a combination how IoT is work. I am just giving you the other things idea about this IoT. The IoT also referred to as IoE, really Internet of Everything, and consists of all the web-enabled devices that connect, uh, send, and act on data. Everything is based on data in present time, and because sensors, AI, and other things are can perform something with the help of data only. If there are no data, it means the machines cannot do anything. Uh, Now, IoT in smart farming. As I am discussing from my earlier slides, sustainable agriculture development or development for sustainable agriculture. Friends, present time we are moving to our Viksit Bharat 2047, or you can say developed India till 2047. If we are thinking for that, it means we have to do something different in our agriculture and allied sector. So, as you have seen that present time there are different types terms are coming in our system, like daily life, like smart city, smart hospital, smart highway, then smart factory. So no doubt why we cannot do something smart in our agriculture, because we are agriculturists, we are agriculture scientists. I am an agriculture engineer. So definitely we should do something in our agriculture with a smart manner. So here IoT in smart farming, if we are using this IoT, then we can do smart farming. How? We can collect the data, and that data may be stored somewhere like cloud or particular firm. As I told you, without data, none can did by AI, and nothing can be done by IoT. So first we have to collect the data. We collect more and more data, then we can apply those data for developing software, developing machines, and developing other thing with the principle of precision farming. Okay, so if we can do that thing, then we can say we are doing smart farming. Okay. Then how the Internet of Things is working? First, we have to collect the data, then communicate that data for analysis purpose, and after analysis, we can act. Means for what we have collected these data, means what for what objective, what purpose we have collected this data, and after that the end product, we can do that thing what we have think during our initial stage of the data. Okay, then we can do something like collection of data. How we can collect that data with the help of device and sensors. Then we should communicate that data to sending data and event through network to some destination. Okay, like cloud platform, private data center, and home network. Then particular that data should be analyzed with the help of creating information from the data, like visualization the data, building reports, filtering data, means paring it down. Okay, then at the end, action. Taking action based on the information and data. How? Communicate with another machine, means machine to machine. Send a notification, means SMS, email, text. As per day we are receiving these things, then take to another system. Then we can do something. What was our purpose? For example, if I think I have to prepare a plow that can plow the field uh, up to 3 inches or 10 centimeter without doing anything. So first I have to collect that data, then communicate that data, then analyze that data, and finally we can produce a software, create a software, and with the help of that software I can use that plow to till the soil up to 10 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the structure of IoT? There are number of RFIDs and wireless connections are using for performing the things like tagging things. Okay, RFID is a sensor based thing. Then second is feeling things like sensors. Then shrinking things like nanotechnology. Then thinking things like embedded and intelligence. So these are the tags that these are the structures, means with the help of these structures IoT can work. This RFID means radio frequency identification. This is very important thing, and without this these things the structure of IoT cannot be completed. So few applications of IoT like building and home automation, manufacturing, medical and healthcare system, media, environmental, everywhere, means you name it and you will have it in IoT. Without IoT, we can say without IoT, our life is not complete. We are using AI and IoT in our daily life regularly. If you are using a smartphone, if you are using biometric for your attendance, if you are using face recognition system, if you are using this retina as a identification. Okay, so if we are using these things, it means we are using AI and IoT in our daily life. Okay. Then food manufacture 4.0, as I was discussed about industry 4.0. When we go inside that industry 4.0, then we found different things like production site, then processing site, then distribution site. So I am talking about second step, that is known as food manufacture 4.0. What is happening here? Automation and robotics at the service of food manufacturing. Okay. Here are three, you can say, segments. First one is supply chain data, second one is production data, and third one is consumer data. Okay, for this supply chain data, in which field, well, each and everything is recorded. From, if you are a customer, you have purchased a pack of bread, okay, and you wish to give some feedback. That feedback may be negative, that feedback may be positive. Okay, if your feedback is negative, then you can write the quality of bread is not good, this is poisonous. Okay, I was fell down with a illness, or I get some temperature, I have some stomach ache, I have some headache after eating that particular bread. It means when you give the feedback, then the reverse system is will be on, and they can identify from which field, from which farmer this uh, wheat is procured and the bread is prepared. So means this is a reversible system. You customer farmer can also know your produce, which customer is purchasing and consuming, and consumer can also know what I am eating has produced in which field, in which farmer, in the and which type of variety of wheat is I am eating. So this is very important thing for feedback purposes and traceability. Each and everything can traceable, and uh, as our FSSAI is trying to do some better, or you can say some miracle, because people are not aware what they are eating, from which place, and which type of fertilizers and organic fertilizers are using, on what they are using, what agrochemicals are they are using. So we can consumer can also aware, and they can only purchase that organic products, you can say. Okay, so this is just example of combination of AI and IoT in food production sector. Then other thing is from industry 4 to agriculture 4A 4.0, a framework to manage product data and agri-food supply chain for voluntary traceability. The similar thing is here. We can trace where a farmer can trace where his produce is sale and what product is made from that produce, and customer can also trace what he or she is eating, from which place, from which field that produce has came. Okay. So there are some other example in inventory system, like smart consumer applications for food alert and inventory reminders, then drones for efficient crop management, then self-driving tractors, as I have already discussed. Some example of you can say AI and IoT in agri processing or production sector, like electronic nose concept. Electronic nose means in simple manner, human are sense the smell and other things in his or her real nose, but same if that same work has performed by the electronic machine, that is known as electronic nose. Okay. Then detection of supply spongy tissue in mango. This is Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute. That picture is coming. I have taken from that. Then TADD means trainable anomaly detection and diagnosis system. Means we can simply detect the product is good or not without means this is known as non-descriptive technology. Okay. Then distribution system. If we should try to use this big data and AI and deep learning for this illustration of future agriculture with industry 4.0 revolution. If we are using regularly this AI and IoT, then definitely we should do something you can say different, like with the help of big data we can enhance the production efficiency with right input. Okay, then if we have a good production, then we should go for better distribution process, and after that for this consumption purpose. Means all things may be interconnected, and one emerging trend in agriculture, that is rural tourism, you can say. So if we have a huge data, means big data, then we can do production, distribution, consumption, and equally this rural or agro-tourism with the help of this AI and IoT, because each and everything is interconnected, each and everything is reversible, so we can do each and everything. Now, okay, the time is going very fast. Okay, So as I told you, there are limitations of agriculture, AI in agriculture. I'm not going to discuss scope. Okay. Sorry. Driverless tractor. Okay. At the end, recommendations, because time is going fast. Only 1 minute I have. That there are. I have only simple two recommendations. Means, as we know, the report of FAO that near 2050 the bird population may be near about 9 billion, and for food security, ensuring food security, we should use this AI and IoT for our Indian agriculture system, definitely, and globally we should use this AI and IoT, because for fulfilling the demands of that huge 9 billion population, we should do something different, and for that we should use this AI and IoT. And take home message, we should try every time we have to use new technologies like artificial intelligence and internet of things, because there was a time then at that time the whole agricultural work was performed by the manually, but time has passed and agricultural mechanization is entered in our agriculture system, and presently we are also facing the scarcity of working hands, means labor. So for cope up of from that point, means scarcity of labor will increase day by day, and the working load in the agriculture field is also working day by day. For to do the agriculture work in a smooth and easy manner, we have to opt this AI and IoT for doing our job, or for doing our job, farmer's job, easy. So thank you very much. I have taken, I think, 3 minutes more. So friends, I am here. If you have any query, please.
Thank you, sir. Sir, for your in-depth lecture on IoT and artificial intelligence in agriculture for sustainable development. So now the topic is open for discussion. Anybody having questions regarding the same can feel free to ask the questions. So we
Please,
have
sir, please.
one
Please.
question in chat box